Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can transfer money from PayPal to Venmo. So let's jump right in. Since a lot of people are surprised to find out there's no direct transfer option between the two. While PayPal owns Venmo, they don't allow you to send money from PayPal to Venmo with just a few clicks. But don't worry, there's a workaround that works smoothly. To do this, you'll need a bank account or a debit card that's linked to both your PayPal and Venmo accounts. First, you transfer the money from PayPal to your bank. Once the money is in your bank account, you simply add that same amount to your Venmo balance using the app. If you're using an instant transfer from PayPal, it'll move the money within minutes, although there might be a small fee. For a free transfer, it usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Once it hits your bank, Venmo lets you add it instantly, or you can just pay someone straight from your linked bank without waiting. It's not super direct, but it's safe, and it works every time. So that's it now, you know how to move your money from PayPal to Venmo the right way.